Welcome back, friends. I know, 2 times in 1 week, like we really out here cooking with grease. But I got something really special in the mail from our friends over at Nike. Hey Nike, we appreciate y'all. Today we got the Union Los Angeles and the Nike Field General in the ivory colorway. I ain't even gonna waste no time, we're gonna get right into it. First, let's get into the packaging. First of all, this represents a locker, and we'll get into the reasons why they kind of chose this packaging, but it looks like a locker. And it has Union on the side, and it has like the Union logos here. It's kind of like if you decorated your locker at school and you kind of just threw like some stickers on it. This is what this is giving. When you open it up, it says Union was here, and that's pretty cool. At the box, you get this blue perforated paper that says Union all over it. We love a nice little touch for a box, and I think this is like really cool if you want to like keep it on display in like your sneaker room or somewhere. Is worthy of keeping on a display. Also inside the box, you get some stickers, which are the ones that we just saw on the box, the locker inspired box here. And then we also have this card that says Union LA. Union was here, CMB. On the back, we have Union, and it's basically going to give us a description of what this shoe is all about. So the card reads, inspired by Chris Gibbs' high school football days, wearing the field general on and off the field, Union reinvents and reimagines the silhouette through a contemporary style focused lens. While inspiration is pulled from the 80s product design, material updates, swapping leather with suede, ballistic nylon with layered mesh, and updated color palettes. With references to Union and Nike's history, the Union Field General honors the past while repositioning the turf shoe for its future off the field. So here we have the sneakers. Of course, they come with 2 sets of laces, which I am loving. Like we have this like dual like silver and orange one, and then we have like this university gold one, which is fire. And then we have this hang tag that says Union, and it's like a little keychain. It says Nike and Union on it, and it's in the shape of a football because again, this is inspired by Chris's days in high school playing for the football team. Some fun facts: that this is one of the first sneakers from Union Los Angeles that wasn't designed by Chris, but designed by one of their head designers, Jamie Vincent. And Jamie, you did your big one with this. As I watched like their behind the design on Nike, he talked about how he wanted to create something that was fresh but also inspired by the past. So for the toe box, he said that he took inspiration from 2 different Nike Generals to like create this upper, even the cup of the shoe. They even said with this design they were able to design a whole new midsole and outsole for the shoe. So I think that's so fire. And again, I think it's so cool because I do have a reference to show us side by side, and we can really take a look at it. Clearly you can see the difference in the toe box. Again, they pull inspiration from 2 different Nike Field Generals for that toe box, and the same with the heel cup as well. They extended this ledge on the shoe, have truly put their own spin on this shoe. It has like a pebbled leather, which is so fire. They swapped out the leather around the toe boxes and around the heel to basically suede. Have like this exposed stitching. They added a heel tab, which is so fire. And then we also have like a Nike swoosh back there this time around, along with the Nike logo, but it's almost like monochromatic that you can't see it unless you was like up close. Some of the shoe has practically stayed the same. Both of these are size men 5.5, and the outsoles look the same. But when you look at this shoe overall, they truly cooked up something completely different. While I might have the ivory colorway, they also come in guava, which is like this brown and pink colorway. But we also saw a black pair that had like hints of blue, etc. And I'm not sure when those are dropping. They didn't mention those anywhere. I haven't seen them on the market, so I'm very curious to see like when that comes out. But the guava colorway is exclusive to Union. Of course, it wouldn't be Union if they didn't release some clothing and some apparel to go with it. Union does have a pop-up. The store is designed to look like the locker shoebox that we have seen, and they have like all these things that are inspired by, you know, college youth. The inspiration for the apparel collection and how they wanted to dress someone who was going to school in the 80s. So they have like a football inspired jersey, there's a varsity jacket, which is super fire, there's t-shirts, there's shorts, there's all of the things. You get the whole kit. I think Union has done an amazing job with taking an old silhouette and making it new and making it fresh and making it something that people really want. And I just think it's just so good. Like, all of the colorways are so good, but this ivory one is hitting different, especially with like this little hint of 3M on the side. Like at nighttime, these gonna show up and show out. Okay, so as usual, I need you guys to sound off below. Will you be trying to get your hands on the Nike Field General and Union collaboration, the Union U Nike Field General? If not, would you go back and get the General release? I'm very curious to know you guys' thoughts on that. I'm obsessed with these. Y'all know I'm gonna be styling these real soon. If you're not following me on Instagram and all that jazz, that's where y'all need to be following me to see some fits, because y'all might not see it on here. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please sound off below and let me know your thoughts, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.